Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Healthy Life. Today we're at the vegetable market and we're going to show you some vegetables and some fruits like watermelons, papayas, and the lemons, potatoes, avocados. The trip to this vegetable market was really fun. I came with my uncle. Well, I didn't go, but my mom went with my uncle. So they brought some fruits and they were really good and some vegetables. And at the moment you will see a dog or a cat. I don't know, I'm not sure, but there is one. Okay, so basically we're just showing you some onion, potatoes, celery. That's not celery, but leek. And some more leek. And some fruits now. So basically we're just chilling, we're at the vegetable market, we're gonna buy some vegetables and some fruits and we're gonna get out. But they told me that the trip was really much fun, very much fun. And see, I told you guys. Even though it's a street cat, but it's cute. Okay? So we're really just gonna show you some vegetables and fruit. So blueberries, raspberries, some more blueberries and raspberries, eggplants. Peppers. And what's that called again? Oh wait, what was it called?
It's lady's finger.
Yeah, lady's fingers. Huh? That's a very weird name, but it's good. The music's good. What the heck? Okay, so then there was a man just posing for the camera. Someone just said yes, fine. Okay, so there's some radish. Okay, if you watch the clip,
This is cassava.
yeah, cassava. If you watch the clip, just count how many people posed at the camera. Just count.
And you also can understand in Kenyan style. We are in.
Yeah, we're in Kenya right now, so yeah. So
Ginger.
go subscribe to my channel, Malia's Planet, and this is Easy Healthy Life. This is my mom's channel, and I do her voiceovers basically most of the time. So yeah. And yeah, there are very many people and vegetables and fruits. Okay, so the Kenyan lifestyle, they so you should know something about the Maasai people. They drink blood, and it actually makes you stronger. But I've never tried it, but it does make you stronger. So it's cow blood, not human blood. So don't worry. They drink it with milk, so that's actually pretty good. It's in their own way. So we're just weighing out some vegetables and fruits. Okay, so basically the Maasai people, they jump really high.
This way. Smile.
Oh my god. Okay. Just a bunch of strangers just like that's a passion fruit. That's what you call a passion fruit. And it's actually pretty good. It's so sour. I don't know how they eat it like that. It's like very sour. Oh my god, okay, yeah, that's very, very awkward. So that's
Apple, like some apple.
oh, that's called, I actually don't know what it's called. You guys could like search it up. Eggplants. I am actually type of allergic to eggplants. I cannot eat them. So some more eggplants, and that's called, no, that's our root.
Root.
Yeah, our root. Okay, thanks for watching Easy Healthy Life. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, and we still have more of the clip. So okay, comment this the answer to this down below. What vegetable, or no, what spice looks like it has fingers? Yeah. Okay, what is it? You have 3 seconds to comment. 3, 2, 1. If you commented ginger, well done, because that's the correct answer. Comment down below if you've ever seen a Porsche in your life. I have. So, yeah. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Turn on the notification bell, like, bye.